Okay, the first part of setting up the Trex amplifier, the first part of doing the video ambulatory is setting up the Trex amplifier. Insert couple of AA batteries, fresh batteries. Connect to the USB cable.
What you doing sitting there, huh? You're sitting close to me.
Connect the USB cable. And then go over to Tools, Ambulatory Manager. Click OK. It is still loading the device here, so we may have to wait. There it is. So now go back to Tools, Ambulatory Manager, and there is a previous study. If the study is running, you would click on stop the study and upload it, but since the study is not running, you can clear the memory, assuming it's been uploaded before.
You can use my space.
So that finishes the preparation of the Trex HD. Let's look at the preparation of the camcorder. So you want to come into this. Don't connect the USB cable of the camcorder, just give it the power. And here is the power cable.
Okay.
It's going to the outlet.
Well, I don't know. I'm going to see what
Go into menu.
All right.
Press the menu. Click on setup.
Are you interested in adding any other day?
Make sure media select says memory card. Then press on format. Press on memory card. Click OK to format. That's good. It's going to take 13 seconds. Press OK. And press this X next to the setup to exit. Now we are going to check the settings of the image quality size. Make sure the record mode is long time LP, and HD STD setting should be HD quality, just like that. X out. Go to camera mic, and we are looking for night shot light on. Night shot light is on.
Right?
Audio mode should say 2-channel stereo. It should not say anything other than 2-channel stereo. X out. Go into setup. Media select should say memory card. File number should say reset. USB connect setting should be mass storage. Beep should be off. Demo mode is off. This completes the setup of the preparation of the camcorder. Now we actually connect the camcorder to the USB.
I need more batteries in here. Can someone try and do that for me?
This is how you connect.
I think
So
I
if you
do.
see this little triangle, that should face the USB drawing on the connector. Attach it and then look for this message, mass storage connected. Do not proceed the test without seeing this message. Once that message appears, then we need to start a new study. We'll wait until your device is ready to use. So to start a new study, click on new. Make sure you're getting that screen. And make sure to change the video source. This is set to local, so this will not record ambulatory until you click change and select use ambulatory video. Then enter your patient name the usual way. And then click start. And it's going into video test, and it states here the camcorder does not have any video files. Please stop the USB connection using the camcorder LCD menu. To do that, come back to the camcorder. Press this X and press yes, and do not detach the cable. Just touch it on the LCD like I did. Do not detach the cable. Then come back to the screen on the computer. it's trying to establish Bluetooth connection. So now we have to follow the directions on the screen. Click on scan. It is waiting to find the device. So if it finds that VTA, so wait for it. Because this computer has not had an ambulatory video done, that's why you have to pair this. Once this turns black, it's not black yet, it will take a few more seconds for it to turn black. Most likely this Trex box has not been paired with the other one, that's why it's taking a while.
Should I pause it until
Pause
it
it and
turns?
pause it.
Oh, it's going to create another.
Oh,
There
so
it
this
is. Okay.
so start. It may create another file, that's okay. So then hit pair. You have to hit pair when you see the device
Okay.
because you're pairing it. Now what it's indicating here is please turn on the camcorder or change it to the movie recording mode. So to change it to the movie recording mode, you come to the camcorder and it is this little guy on the bottom left. It's this icon. Press it. Let's go back to the screen to look for our instructions again on the computer. It is saying please start video recording by pressing start stop. Come back to the camcorder. This is the start stop button. Right there it says start stop. It's written right there. Press it once and come back to the screen, and it started its calibration files. It needs 3 of those files to be started and stopped. So it started file number 2. It's going to stop it and then it's going to start 3 shortly. And this is the message you should get before proceeding further. Video test succeeded. And you can click OK or the message will go away on its own just like it did. I didn't click anything, it went away. Always make sure to come here and check twice or thrice or how many ever times you want to make sure the video test succeeded is shown. Do not send the patient home without seeing this message because the video will not synchronize with the EEG, otherwise you will have problems. So once the video test succeeded, that's fine. You can now, if the patient is not here yet, you can put this in not recording mode and wait for the patient to come in and do your test. At least the machine is ready. The Bluetooth has been set up to pair with the Trex HD amplifier and the camcorder. So now let's assume the patient is here. You're going to put on the electrodes, check your impedances, do your usual method, record maybe for a little bit if that's your protocol. Follow your lab protocols at this point. And if you wanted to record some of the video while the patient is in the lab, press this button. If you want to record some video on him while you're putting on electrodes, you may do that if you like. That's optional. Now to start the ambulatory study, you go under controls. Are you able to see properly? Controls.
Yep.
Controls. Start ambulatory. Yes. And wait until the database screen refreshes just like that. And make sure your study is not in red status. I think this was our
Yeah, I think you need to
scroll it. There we go. So ambulatory test. This is our test. So make sure this is not in red. Now I can detach the USB cable to the head box and make sure of the flashing yellow light.
Okay.
and close this camcorder LCD. Hear that click. Detach the USB. Detach the power cord. Close the camcorder and see, look for the yellow light. I mean the light, there was a blue light flashing, but anyway. So we go and pack it in the suitcase.
Okay.
You can stop that video.